In this guide, we're going over how you can fix stick drift here on your Xbox controller. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you will need a T8 screwdriver, a pry tool, and some compressed air for this, but what you can actually do is remove the side panels of your controllers. So go ahead and remove those side panels, and then if you just press down near the bumpers, you can actually gently pull the covers off from both sides. Essentially, now you got to take your batteries out and peel the back sticker to access these screws. There's going to be 5 screws total, 1 on each corner of the center. Remove them so you can take off the front plate, and once the controller is open itself, just pull off the analog stick caps, and this will expose the area around the joystick where dirt and dust build up. Just move the sticks in different directions to create small gaps, and use compressed air to clean inside of those spaces. This is where the debris usually causes stick drift. If you obviously don't have compressed air, you can blow into the area, but compressed air is going to work a lot better. After cleaning the analog sticks though, just put everything back on, reattach the front plate and screw everything back together, and then reinstall your batteries and snap these side panels back into place. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.